Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assign the master slave node. So I'm assuming that you already know and understand why master slave is so important in Staad Pro. So let me go to plan view. So we need to find the center of gravity for this plan. So you already understand the principle of master slave, so I don't need to explain that. So to find the CG, center of gravity, or center of gravity of this plan, we need to go to utilities, and then we will go to command file. Okay, so what you need to do is go up to, you scroll up to the end, and then you need to add print CG in caps lock. Print CG. Okay, print and then C and then G, meaning print center of gravity, caps lock. Okay, and then you will save. Yes, save changes to the revised std. So then maybe your model is not showing the nodes, so you need to just show the nodes of these numbers. You just need to click shift and then N. So you can click shift N in your keyboard, so you can see the nodes have disappeared. Then if I click shift and then N, they come back. So that's how you do it, shift N. Okay, so that is a keyboard, so it's very crucial. So we'll then run our analysis. We need to redo our analysis, so that is another command we have added. So 0 warning, 0 errors, 2 nodes. So I'll go to the output file, done. Then you select CG. You can select concrete design and see the concrete design there. So you select CG. Okay, so you can see from your screen that the CG is 14, 6.5 and 11.068. okay, this is the center of gravity. So we're going to use this along X and Z. So the only thing that is going to change is Y. So in all flows, so we will use X. Our X and Z will be 14.8989 and 11.0868. So we'll only change the Y. So we go to geometry, then we will add the node. And remember, if you watch my previous video, the level of this floor, let me check node to node distance. Node to node distance. So let me go to plan view, then from this node to this node is 2.85 meters. So this is my level, because this is my ground level, and from this node to this node is negative 1.5. so this is the base or the foundation. So the level is 2.85. so we will go to a geometry, make sure you are in geometry, and then so escape it, view the whole structure, go, make sure here also you're in geometry, then shift and shift and we need to add another node. So we need to add another node. So go to, so first of all, the reason why I'm missing is basically because this is open, Staad Pro Connect Viewer, so you should close this. So it has, because when this editor is open, you cannot change the model, so the model was locked, so I need to close this. So remember, it was 14.8989 and 11.06 0868 0868. Okay, so I need to close this. So now it has been unlocked. After I click there, now I think I can edit. Shift and view, properties, geometry, I go. So that's why it was locked, so you cannot change the model when the editor is open. So this one was 14.8989, and remember the first level is yes, the first level is 2.85, and then 11.0868 11.0868. so we have added that node, so you can select it and you will see the node. You can see the one marked in red here. So if you go to plan view, if we go to side view, and then we select this, and then view selected only, and then go to plan view, and then shift and to display the nodes, and then select our node. So actually our node is so you can see our node in 3D. So let me go to view. So I need to view this node. So you can see my node, it's there, and it's on the first floor. Okay, so this one cannot be wrong because the level is 2.85. so we can still go, we can now go to specifications, and then click nodes, then master slave. Let me see the node number. Is 286 if I'm not wrong. So you can see it here, 286, and it's 286. So I'll go to my specification, my node, then add master slave, then scroll down to 286. Then remember, it is rigid in its own plane, that is the ZX plane. Then add. So you can see the master slave. close, and then I will go to view, then I'll go to side view and see the master slave node. Okay, so we can now select the nodes in this flow. So I just need to go to select, then node cursor, and then select those only. Then you can go to, so you can see, and then you go to specification, then select this, and then assign to the selected nodes. Yes, and then you click Shift L to display. You can see now. You can see now the nodes are like the master and slave relationship. So these nodes depend on this. So this node, if this node moves, all of them move because it is in the center of gravity, and that's how a slab usually behaves. So that's how you solve your modeling problems, and that's why the master slave node is very important in Staad Pro, especially if you will not model the plates, but you have preferred to add the flow nodes, the flow loads. So yeah, if that's how you model your slab in this model, then you have a bit modeling issues if you don't know the principle of master slave. So this is how you solve your modeling issue. So you assign to the other flows. You go to plan view, and see. So I will add another. I can just edit it in Excel. Okay. Sometimes these things misbehave. Excel is misbehave. Escape. So I'll go and add another. It was 14.8989, and then our level now this time. This one should not be here. This one should be here. Now our level will be 5.7 because it is 2.8 times 2, and now still 11.0868. Then now here will be 8.55. Then this just repeat. Then we'll copy this and then add these nodes. Then let me see the numbering. Then we need also to number 287, then 288, 287, then 288, 288. Then we need to copy all these, copy, and then paste it. Yes. Okay. So you need just to copy, escape it, just need to copy this. Now we paste it there. And now we can see. Now you can see I have this node. No. That I must copy everything. Must copy from here. Now like that. Now you can see my node here, and you can see my node here. Then we need to repeat the same thing for the upper floor, for this roof, because we also have a slab there. So the level there is 2.85 times 4. Then 4. So this one will be equals to this times shift this, enter. To change this 85. So it is 11.4. Level is 11.4. Or you can just find it node to node distance. Utilities, node to node distance, just from here there, 11.4. So we need to repeat that. Then now for 11.4. Then we copy this and we paste it. Okay. Just 14.8989. Then 11.4. Then 11.060 0689. Okay. Now 0868 actually. So you can see my master. So I'll go and assign, go to this flow, specification. Now I just select this part, then view selected only, then plan view, then geometry, then specification, then node, add master slave. Now will be this one, rigid in its own plane, XZ plane, then add, then close. Then I'm going to select all the nodes, then go to specification, then assign. Yes. Then I go to view, go to 3D, view the entire object. Now you can see. Now I'll repeat the same thing. I can go to side view, you can see. I will repeat the same thing. then I'll go to specification, node, rigid in its own plane, that is XZ plane. First of all, I'll cancel. Now I will, and it is the second last, and then I'll select all the nodes and assign, yes, and go to view, go to 3D, go to view, enter structure, then go to the last floor. Go to plan, you can see the plan view. We'll go to the last floor. Then you selected objects only, then plane view, then specification, add master slave, and we scroll the last one, rigid in XZ its own plane, and then select all the nodes, then assign to the selected nodes, yes, and go to view, tire object. Now you can see, then we save. Now that's how we do the master slave node. So thanks guys, please subscribe to my channel.